this Thanksgrilling series. It's going to be huge.
You can't miss out on this.
Not this one.
Shoot, yeah, those Kingsford Pellets provide the best flavor.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get it started.
Happy holidays, everybody. I'm Chef Greg with recteq, and today we're going to show you an amazing smoked almond and green bean casserole. It's going to take kind of grandma's run-of-the-mill green bean casserole. We're going to elevate it a lot by adding some delicious smoked slivered almonds on the top of our crispy topping. And smoking nuts you can do in the grill. Super simple. Just set the recteq to 200 or 225 degrees. Lay those nuts on those nonstick cooking mats available at recteq.com. Let them go for about an hour or two, and you're going to have an amazing smoked topping to any of your favorite casserole dishes, or just some, delicious smoked nuts to snack on. But for this green bean casserole, we have a couple pounds of green beans that we have blanched and gotten cold and strained. If you can use frozen green beans for this as well. Just make sure you thaw them and kind of press some of the water out of them, or put them over a colander overnight in the refrigerator, and that way they can kind of get rid of their extra liquid. But you can take your favorite can of condensed soup. You can use cream of celery, cream of chicken, cream of mushroom, cream of jalapeno, cream of anything. Cream of cheddar cheese if you want. It's whatever you like. It's however you want to live the recteq lifestyle. For me, I'm either a cream of chicken or a cream of mushroom kind of guy. But again, you do you. We've got a large onion that we have sauteed in some butter. Some Parmesan cheese. Chow, please. About a half cup of milk. And then, to bring it full circle, we've got that Colden's Freakin Greek. The herbs, the nutmeg, salt, pepper. Riot mode. Add about a tablespoon of that. And all you gotta do is mix it up. Again, this is a great, easy job for the kids. You can do this the day before, and that way, for that busy holiday meal, you're not trying to, get everything done at the last minute. We've got our greased 9x13 baking dish. Kind of smear it out a little bit. Now, normal casserole, still going to be delicious, but we're not done yet. Melted butter. Judy, where'd you put that butter?
Painfully hot.
Just put it on the board.
Sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Here. No. Hot.
All right, so I told you this smoked almond topping is going to be next level. It's not a casserole unless you got fried onions, but if you don't do the fried onions, you can always use corn flakes. I've seen people do a Chex Mix topping. Never done it myself, but it looks delicious. We've got our smoked slivered almonds. We've got some melted butter. But hit it with a little bit of that Colden's Freakin Greek. Let's go ahead and put our topping on. All right, we've got our recteq RT700 preheated to 350 degrees. This is going to take about 45 minutes. That topping is going to be beautiful, crispy, delicious, golden brown, and amazing. See you at the recteq. All right, this smoked almond and green bean casserole is smelling delicious. Again, to recap, we smoked this with those delicious Kingsford maple pellets. I mean, super sweet, savory, a good fruitiness. Those smoked almonds are double smoked because we smoked them before, and then they got a little bit more flavor on the top. And I don't know about you guys, but I'm excited to dig into this. But before I do, make sure you guys follow us on all social media and go ahead and subscribe to recteq and Kingsford YouTube channel for all this delicious content and more. Oh, it's going to be so good. You got to get the onions on the top. This casserole really brings it all together, from the crispiness of the almonds, the sweetness of the onions, the tenderness of the green beans. I don't know about you, but I'm ready for the main course. We'll see you guys at the recteq.